Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, and I just wanted to come on real quick and share with you what I had made my swap partner um, before I got it all packed up. But I am part of the swap group on Facebook with Dino's with Crafty Crafts by Dana. And so this month we were swapping um, flip envelopes, books, something like that. And I wasn't going to join it because I had so much on my plate. But the thing about it is that she had a video posted of one that she'd done, and I had never done one. And I was like, it was too cute. I wanted to try it. So I added another thing on my to-do list and got it done. So let me share with you. Well, first, let me show you the papers that I've used in this. Actually, I got these back when Halloween stuff was, Christmas stuff was just getting barely put on the shelf. And I loved the snowman paper. And the colors in it went so well with the plaid that I bought a few sheets of these, 3 or 4, I think 4 of each. Maybe a little more of the plaid because I can use it with more things, but I just loved it. I thought it was so cute. And so I bought several, like I said, several sheets. And this is the first, I think this is my first Christmas project for the season. And I also used this, let's see if I can find it real quick. This paper pad that was gifted to me. I used this paper pad, and there's a specific reason why I'm showing you the way it is. It's because I had glittered it up. So that's the back. So I'm not sure if y'all can see real good, but I put the stickles. I finally got me some stickles, and I got the diamond. And I just did, well, I also have this Zazz that I got from Tuesday morning a long time ago. So I used just a circle around the green of the Zazz, and then the diamond stickles, I just kind of went up and down and around the bow real quick. And so I glittered the back of it all up, and I just think it turned out so pretty. Okay. So those are the paper pads that I used. And then, well, I had one more that I just used this paper pad, but I didn't use the paper out of it. I used some of the cutouts. I think it was this one, yeah. The banner tags out of it. I just loved them, and I loved the wording. And then I used this border. Sorry if I got in y'all's way, but I used the border right there, and then this one was the Happy Holidays, and I just thought the green looked really good. And then sweet Denise Becker had gifted me all those gorgeous bows, so I thought this cute one right here, this little baby, would look so precious as just the front cover, and it's got the Velcro. So I'm going to try to make this quick. You know, the envelopes that I got, I thought about making my own, but to try to save me time and make sure everything was even, I just went to Walmart and picked some up, but I wanted some good, you know, more quality, sturdy ones, and these were gold. Yeah, I think I paid $10 for that, almost $5 or $10 for that box. I don't even remember, but I just said, you know, forget it. I'm just going to do it. These are the Dollar Tree snowflakes that I had purchased, and I did not realize that, excuse me, the red and the white were different sizes until I did this project. But I also used, oh, I forgot I had used this one, and I don't remember which paper pad that one came out of. I think it also came out of the Martha Stewart pad. Yes. Not sure if I can find it real quick. But I was debating, well, here's a different version of it. But, I don't remember where it is right now. But anyway, so yeah, I used the white and the gold snowflake. And I just, you know, thought that do the gold and the traditional colors. She said traditional colors and cutesy and fun. So that's the way I went with this one. So in this pocket, we decorated it. I did these two vertically and vertical, upside, straight up and down, right? And then horizontal sideways. And then I took what was left over from the, well, if I can find the front again, the snowflake trim right here had a few little pieces left over. So I took that and I added it right there at the pocket. And I used one of the cutouts that says Merry and Bright, again, out of the Martha Stewart, I believe, pad, and it says Merry and Bright in gold. And then I was gifted these precious little bows and the pom-poms. So I took a pom-pom and just put it on the top of the little hat. Try to keep it from being too bulky, but I know it, you know, it ended up being that way anyway. But this one, going back to this one, it was the red snowflake, the white snowflake, and then I was, again, gifted the jewel, and I believe, I apologize, I don't remember where I got that, but I think most of this was gifted from all y'all sending in entries, and Denise, and the foam Christmas tree. I used this cutout because it was the snowflakes. I had the polar bears and the squirrel and the bunny, and I glittered up all the snow. And then I put little swirls in the snow as well, and I put a little star jewel on it. And of course it says let it snow, so it's snowflakes. And then, like I said, I did this one, and because of the pattern, I didn't want to cover everything up. I just kind of wanted to just give a little touch of something because I thought it was too cute. And then this one, I wanted it to be about Santa Claus. So this is I think a tag sticker that y'all had gifted me, and I apologize. I've got two names in my head, so I don't want to name them out. I also glittered up his little fur hat and his little ball right there on his end of his hat, his cuffs, and around his belt. I was gifted the fur, oh my goodness, the felt Christmas tree, and where the little dots were, I glittered those up. They already had the red jewels on it, and then I glittered up the gold star, and it said "'Tis the season." Underneath the tree, it's a to and from sticker tag for presents. And then I just double layered this, and it says North Pole Express Delivery. I figured that worked with Santa Claus. And then let's flip it over. You saw the front. And then the first pocket, I decided to go, I saw this, and I rounded the corners. I cut it out. And then I rounded the corners, but I thought these colors looked really good on the plaid. So I thought presents. And then I took a strip of the wreath paper. And I didn't glitter these up, but I just took a strip down at the bottom. And then I put one of the Happy Holiday tags that went with it. And then, yeah, that's it. I'll show you a couple of things I've packed in here real quick. I didn't do a fancy bag topper, just a little pack of stickers. I took some of the cutouts from the paper pad and cut those out, and I'm gifting those to her. And then I put a couple of the Christmas Prima journaling cards that was gifted to me and shared some of those with her. And then I just folded over the tag, glittered it up. And then, again, Denise had that huge bag of Christmas foam. So I put that in there and I glittered it up. I don't want to, I'm going to put a don't peek, you know, so I'm not going to go into, hopefully she won't peek. But this felt joy sticker. Some of these, Jolie's Boutique, I picked these up back when I got the paper, the candy canes, and some of these rub-on goodies here. And then I also got her a Christmas card. It's already sealed up. Well, I thought it was sealed up with a little sticker that was also gifted to me. Again, y'all have blessed me so much. So much this actually comes from y'all. And then I'm gifting her some of the snowflakes. And then this I will pull out because I'm proud of this. Y'all know this is, I had several of these little tiny bears that I had made, and with the coffee cups. Well, here's my last one, y'all. This, it was not my last one forever. It's just the last one I had made up. So I took some little Santa hat stickers. It was Jolie's, like the candy canes, except for the little red hat, Santa hat. So I put the little Santa hat on him, and I glittered up the cup this time. And I put it on the glittered stockings I had gotten from Dollar Tree. I outlined it in green. And also, this was gifted by Sweet Denise. And so I borrowed it and used it as well. This was another one of the cutouts out of the paper pad. I tried to have it all wavy, just to give it some dimension. And then you flip it over, and I used the plaid and the snowflake, and then I used another to and from sticker with the stocking. I hope I'm showing it. I hadn't even been paying attention to my lighting. And then you pull it out. She pulled this out and put a gift card in the back. And I just think he turned out so precious. So, yeah. So I gifted her that, and I created that for her. So I hope she likes it and can use it. And I'm going to put that back in there. And then I've just got I tried to put a few more things in the pockets, but it just made it too bulky. But I think, for my first one, I think it turned out pretty good. I went ahead and actually have made a couple, while I was making this one, I put the, I've made a couple more envelopes in the same, while I was making those, but I haven't decorated them yet because those will be going out to certain people. I put some beads and just some different trims in there for her. I'm sharing some ribbon with her. Hopefully she can get some use out of that. I'm sharing these trees that I had gotten from Dollar Tree. I had not seen them, and then I was gifted the snowflakes, which I had not seen either. So I'm putting those in there. And then since I had so many of those beautiful foam pieces, I figured I'd gift her a few of those as well. So that's what I'm sending to my swap partner. I hope she likes it. And I hope y'all have a great weekend. There's no telling when I'm going to upload this. I've got 4 more packages. Yes, 4 more packages of entries. And then I have a gift, a Happy Mail that was sent to me, and the share for my son's BB craft haul. So be prepared. Still doing back-to-back videos. Today I woke up with another headache. I think it was sinus infection this time, or just a sinus headache. But anyway, I'm running at the mouth, and I've made this video long enough. Thank you for watching. Please do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and look forward to seeing what I come up with next. Thank you all so much, and I wish you the best always.